Hi, everybody. Oh, wait. Shadow, shadow, shadow. All right. See in the background? Hi, everyone. This is Greg Gomes from SkyVue, and I've been flying drones for so many years. On my day-to-day shoots, I usually fly a Mavic or an Inspire from DJI. But oftentimes, I have the requirements to fly something bigger. And I am so excited to introduce Camflite to everyone. Camflite has two new drones, the Versa and the Ascent, and these drones are designed to make the job easy. They deploy from their cases in minutes, and I've been working with Camflite behind the scenes, getting test footage and flying LiDARs. So all of Camflite's drones come in either the X version or the X8 version, which is 8 props. One of the awesome things about the Camflite Versa is that it'll pick up almost anything imaginable. And I actually picked this Sony A7S along with this 28 to 135 millimeter servo zoom lens. That means that I'm able to change my focal length in flight. So this is a beautiful camera and gimbal setup that we have on the Versa, and it gets shots like this. This is the Camflite Ascent X, and one of the things that I've been working with is LiDAR. What the LiDAR is doing is scanning the ground with basically a sheet of lasers, and it's collecting all that data. And what do we do with that data? We can make topographical maps, elevations of trees, we can digitally remove vegetation, all types of tools to help surveyors and engineers get accurate 3D models of the real world. The last mission that we did about 50 acres in about 25 minutes. All right, so this baby right here is the Ascent X8. It is beautiful. So basically this is the 8 propellered version of the Ascent, and it offers greater overall power, speed, higher payload capabilities. I have a separate video on the X8 coming out soon. So this is the new lineup of the drones, and I'm super excited about Camflite because as I grow, Camflite has really been able to help me. Thanks to everybody, and stay tuned because we're going to be flying these things all the time now.